In this video, I'm going to be going through how to send and how to contact us via email if you're not a Let Property Campaign client. So you might have seen in one of our videos where we mentioned regarding the Let Property Campaign form, where if you're not a Let Property Campaign client, we sort of asked you if you could send us an email instead with your additional information. So this video is basically to just go through sort of what we require from you and where to send that email. So first things first, the email that you'll need to send us will need to go to our admin@marslands.co.uk email address. And I would title the email something like "Enquiry for accounts quote" or something to that effect. And then basically what we'll need from you is just a list of a few things regarding your property and your situation. So first things first, we'll need to know how many properties you have, if it's just the one or if you have multiple. Um, how many of those properties are houses or flats? Uh, if you have a mortgage on any of the properties, how many of the properties, if you have multiple ones, have mortgages, and whether they're interest only or repayment mortgages. Um, Also, we'll need to know sort of what your tax bracket is. So, um, like if you're employed, whether you're a 20 or 40% taxpayer or 45% taxpayer. If you could let us know sort of your rough income per year, that would be great, just so we've got an idea. Um, and that's sort of the main things that we need from you. Uh, if you've just started renting your property, obviously, if you could let us know when you started renting it as well, that'd be great. Or if you've previously declared, or if you've previously declared the property and have done tax returns in the past, just sort of any information regarding what you've done at the moment to do with the property, as well as obviously what I've previously mentioned there. Um, if you have any other income, so obviously I mentioned employment, but some people that come to us have got self-employed income or dividends or interest, things like that. Um, if you have any of that type of income, if you could let us know as well, just so we sort of know what to expect in terms of what's going to be going on your tax return. Um, so I believe those are the main things that we need from you. So if you could just list those things off in your email to us, and sort of just a general idea of what you require from us. So rental accounts, tax returns for one or two people, or if there's more than two people, then obviously let us know. But yeah, we just sort of need a basic idea of what your situation is, and how your property accounts and everything will be looking, and how many tax returns that we need to do. So if you could send all of those details to us at admin@marslands.co.uk, and then obviously we'll be in touch as soon as we can with a quote for you, and we can then sort of get the ball rolling and arrange to book a call with you to go through it in a bit more detail. But yeah, we greatly appreciate you watching this video. And if you would like to contact us, please contact us at admin@marslands.co.uk if you need help with your property accounts going forward. Uh, yeah, thank you for watching.